Hi friends, good evening. Dow started, trading below the date which I mentioned, 13th, January. Let's see how it closes, but it is trading below that date low, which is also, it is trading below 16th November low, which was the deciding date. Okay, so fine. This video is nothing to do with Dow or Nasdaq or any other thing. See, there is a query which came to me on a social media. I think one of the friend, he was stuck in, Dilip Buildcon, from higher level, and he was stuck at somewhere around 520 level, and stock is now trading at 389 level. And he was asking, where is the support, whether there is any support or not, whether to exit or not, because he was literally confused. And then I went and checked in a forum where people are talking about there was a CBA raid in the corporate office, and then so many blah 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 blah, and then everybody was negative about the stock. So I thought of this video, actually it's foreign, so I thought of covering in detail so that it will be useful for you also. There is a way to find the support. It is nothing to do with technical. There is no indicator, nothing, and fundamentally I don't know about all that, so you need to check on fundamental. But there is a way to find where it will find the bottom and when it will find the bottom. Okay, so now that is what I'm going to show you. It will be interesting, just watch it. Okay, so now I'm going to chart. Okay, first we will see on a Ishimoku, because I've already done my pitchfork work. Even in pitchfork, it is not showing me any bottom, and even today it has broken the pitchfork level also. So it is looking ugly on pitchfork also, because normally pitchfork finds the exact top and exact bottom. But even today, it exactly closed below the pitchfork bottom also. So now this is Ichimoku, and based on daily, it is below the cloud, below all the conversion line, and then lagging span was clearly on the downside. There is no endurance for it to go down further. Okay, so on daily, it is looking bearish. Weekly, yes, below the cloud, below 200-day SMA, below super trend. It's clearly it's a downtrend. And here, if you see this place, it is forming a red color. It means yes, it will go further down. That's what it says, because after this blue color thing, it started showing a red color. So it's again saying on a weekly front also it is bearish. Coming to monthly, there's one support on super trend, which is somewhere around 335 level. Okay, that's what it shows. And based on conversion line, baseline, all that, it is below and below the cloud. So even in monthly, it is looking bearish. Let's go to the lower time frame. Even 1 hour, it looks ugly. Okay, so it tried here to break the cloud, but unable to break the cloud, so it started falling. And below all the key important moving averages, which normally I use. People use 200-day SMA, but I use others SMA also. So it is below everything. And if you go to the normal thing which normally people will use to identify the stock, whether it is at the bottom or whatever. So here it is saying it is below 200 SMA, 50 SMA, 100 SMA, and 20 SMA. So it is below everything. So it is again saying bearish. So this stock has went up to 750, and from there now it is trading at 388. So now how to find the bottom? Where to buy this company or where to average this company? It's a very, very difficult to answer based on any technical analysis. Okay, then there is a solution. Okay, first, based on the date, I'm just marking it. I've already done my homework. 18th January is a very important day for this guy. 18th January, which is going to come next week. Okay, just mark the high and low of 18th January. If it close above 18th January, any day, not only the next day, any day from here on, it will turn to bullish. Okay, watch 18th January high and low. Number one. Number two, this is a very important Vedic number, which is 377. Right? So, possibility of taking a support at the Vedic number. If the Vedic number and the date coincides each other, then the stock will find the bottom. Okay. Even if it breaks this 377, you can leave that 377 also, just to watch this date, which is 18th January. How I get the date? That's my lookout. That's my working. So now just watch, 18th January high and low. Whenever it breaks 18th January high and close above, simply buy with the stop loss of 18th January low. Okay, you can try twice. If third time also, if it breaks, then you should not touch the stock. Okay, so now the 18th January holds the key for Dilip Buildcon. Okay, so now there is another one key important number which I normally use on a Vedic front, which is 729. This is applicable to any stock. It is not only Dilip Buildcon or whatever. It applies to any stock. Whenever it touches this number, any stock for that matter, it will vibrate. It will simply vibrate. Okay, so now it went on a daily, but unable to close above 729. And here again, it went up, unable to close above 729. Okay, I'm simply showing this example. You can do your back testing. You can take any stock for your reference. Go to that stock, put this number 729. Okay, then you will see the magic. If you want, I can take one example. Okay, we'll go to the stock whichever is very near to 729. Okay. Okay, so we'll go to Bharati, which is at 720. Okay, so now I'll go to Bharati. I'll just put 729. So this holds a key. Right, even here if it go, it is unable to break close above 729. Next candle also unable to close above 729, came down. Okay, so I'll take another example, whichever is quoting me here, 729. Okay, we'll go to Adani Port because it is trading at 780. Okay, so now I'll go to Adani Port. You can do your best back testing in any of the stock you like. Okay. $729. Whenever it closes above, it will have a jump. See here, simple. Again came tested 729. Again came tested, and again came tested 729, and then boom. Okay, so 729 is a magical number. So you can apply in any stock, and you can use this. Okay, this is a simple way to trade without taking any indicator or any pitchfork or Ishimoku or SMA, EMA, RSI and all that. A simple number magic, but it will do wonders. It will do wonders. Okay, so now so I already covered Dilip Buildcon. So watch this date, 18th January high and low. Let's see what happens, because seriously I don't know. When I see, anyway, I'm not going to touch this stock because anyway it is not in F&O. I'll trade predominantly only in F&O stocks. So this is not in F&O, but still, somebody asked, so I put this video. 18th January will be his D date for Dilip Buildcon. Whether any news comes, all that I don't know. But if it breaks below 18th January low, then you should not touch the stock unless and until it close above 18th January high. Okay. So now I'll go to Dow Jones. So you all know this was the date low of 16th November, and it is not able to go above 13th January high, sorry, 12th January high, and then from there, it is trading below. So till it doesn't close above 12th January high, you should not touch Dow Jones. And coming to S&P, yeah, it is trading below. It looks like it is showing a doji pattern. I don't know where it is going to close. Seriously, I don't know. And coming to Nasdaq, it is trading below. Anyway, it is trading below 15th November low. Plus, it is trading below the important trend line on the downside. So be a little careful. And I will definitely, I want to cover metal index this week. So obviously, I'll put a separate video on metals for tomorrow. Watch it because the trend change date happened today. Nifty metals. Okay, so this was the important day. I marked the high, I marked the low. Let's see how it behaves tomorrow. And my counters will be sale, NMDC. Obviously, everything I like, and especially I like NMDC. Anyway, I'll cover everything in detail about 7 important stocks in metal index by tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching this video. In case if you are stuck with any stock, you can definitely let me know. I will try to do my best, and I will try to give where it will take the support based on my system, based on technical analysis, or based on date, and as well as combining with my Vedic numbers. Thanks a lot. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock, mutual funds, or whatever. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye. Good night.